share our ulam of the day. So, ito yung baon ko. gusto ko siya i-share siya kasi pinanonood ko rin sa TikTok yung mga gantong content. So, yan yung ano natin for snacks. Dark chocolate and then ito, potato crisp. Tapos meron ako for dessert na Dunkin. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Choco honey dip siguro to. Tapos wala, mga sauce to. Tapos for our lunch, I have here my red rice and then chicken from last night. So yan, tara na, ayusin ko na to. So we can go to work. We have meetings today. I think I have 2 meetings. 1 online, tapos yung isa hindi pa nagko-confirm. So, sana chill lang yung araw lang. Tsaka sana huwag masyadong umulan. I have an online class later for Public International Law. So, yun lang naman. I think kapag mga gantong weather, I really don't prefer bringing my car to work. Parang mas gusto ko nagko-commute, but ang hirap kasi pag sobrang lakas ng ulan. But I think that's it. I have work, we have school. We're done with work and nag-cancel ng class yung prof ko for PIL today. So, kita ba? Kakain muna ako dahil full na talaga ako. Pwede ba dito nung I'll just eat quickly. Tapos, ako ay babalik na rin sa bahay. Let's go. Kain muna tayo ng Sinangag Express. Na-miss ko to. Favorite ko to nung buntis ako. Super. And we're home. Awat muna tayo sa work and law school content. I have new makeup products and I'm so excited to use them. So, this one is the baby powder from Shiseido. I saw Heart Evangelista and other celebrities using this. So, sabi ko, itatry ko lang siya. And parang maganda siya for setting your foundation or for if you have oily skin. So, I'm gonna try that. Then, bumili ako ng maliit na ganito when we went to Harmay. This one's Charlotte Tilbury. Maliit lang na setting spray. And bumili rin ako nung isa pang setting spray from that same store. This one's the... Ay! Doon ko ba ito binili? Hindi. Yeah. So, this one naman is the MAC setting spray. So, yan na siya. Tapos, itong Peri Pera na... I just saw this trending on TikTok. Itong grayish cool na blending stick nila for contour sa nose. Wala na, na-excite lang ako i-share. Ayan o. Tapos, the good thing about this product is that meron na siyang pang brush. Ayan o. Basta. Na-excite lang ako. Tapos, this one, translucent loose setting powder man from Laura Mercier. Tapos, Yung maliit lang yung binili ko so that I can try it out. Ayan lang yung itsura niya sa loob. Tapos, just get a puff or yung pang powder lang na sponge. Lastly, ito, nabili ko to before pa because I wanted to restash my makeup products. Ito, parang sa Dubai airport ko ba to nabili or basta? Because now I can finally use new makeup since tapos na yung pregnancy ko and I wanted to parang get back to working out, getting skinny again, getting to get pretty again. Ang ganda niya. Oh my gosh, ang ganda. Ano nga to? Parang ito yung MAC Sculpt and Glow, but if you're thinking of yung getting yung Harmony, this could be a good replacement for that. Itong ano nila, Sculpt and Glow Duo. But originally, I just wanted to get yung blush na mineral blush nila, yung Harmony, kasi maganda rin yun. I also like that, so I just wanted to share kasi wala lang. I'm feeling lighter and lighter every day, although I'm going through postpartum, but you know, you just have to get it over. That phase is done and you want to get rid of that cycle of feeling down, and parang yun yung gusto kong isipin every day na okay, I've gone through a lot and natapos na yung phase ng pregnancy ko, and now I'm trying to just get in shape, eating the right food, tapos getting healthy again, and at the same time parang ang dami kong gustong iwasan, and so yan. And then tumutubo na rin ang aking mga baby hairs. Tumutubo na. I'm 30 years old and I'm proud that even though there's a lot of things going on in my life, I get to still spoil myself from time to time. So yeah, yun lang. Gusto ko lang i-share para lang break from the school and work contents na pinupost ko here. Here's our food. Well, brunch na to. We have Civ Pro 2 class, so naka-ready na naman ang ating aaralin. It's 12 noon. Ito, clear book. Pero coffee muna. Parang ito na lang naman natitirang coffee dito. Pagsasabayin ko na yung dalawa. And then, sabi daw masarap dito. Nakita ko sa Thai or Vietnamese na cafe sa online. So, ito ngayon yung favorite ko na gaganyan mo siya. Tapos, you'll just pour it. Basta, I love this. Yung blue yung favorite ko. Yung green, parang mild lang siya. So, ito. Mas gusto ko tong flavor nito or yung lasa niya combined with ano. Yung isa kasi parang lighter. So, gaganyan mo lang siya. This one's from Blendy. So, may ice na yan. Tapos, bigyan natin ito. Nakita ko kasi para daw mas masarap itong milk na to. Ganda na ng color niya. Hindi ko alam ano to. Basta finry ko lang yung chicken breast sa ref. Yan. Tapos, babaon ko rin to tomorrow. Sarap naman. I have an online class at 6:30. And Civ Pro 2 to. So, we're covering Rule 60 to 65. So, start tayo sa Special Civil Action. So, online class naman to. So, okay lang. I feel so good. After ko ng work, nag-workout ako ng 5:15 p.m. Parang quick 30 to 45 minute workout lang. Tapos, nag-shower and then we're ready for our online class at 6:30 p.m. So, review ko lang to. We're covering until Rule 65. Rule 65, certiorari prohibition and mandamus hanggang Rule 65 lang tayo. So, I'll share that with you kung anong progress natin for school.
What do you call Gian? No, bago pa magkaroon ng cause of action, na violate yung right mo under that deed or contract or written instrument, ipa-declare mo na. Okay? Ipa-declare mo na bago pa tayo because that declaration is authoritative. Authoritatively settles the controversy. Okay? It authoritatively settles the content. Okay, so it goes into question of sino ba ang para makawayat na yung
We're done with class. So, inom na tayo ng vitamins natin. And after, tutulog na. This one's iron and then fish oil. Basta pag kinomplete ko yung inom nito everyday, parang maganda yung tulog ko and kinabukasan parang dami kong energy. Of course, vitamin C. And lastly, my favorite, magnesium glycinate. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching the video. Good